Hey friends, how you doing? And welcome back to another video in this channel. And in today's video, I like to share with you guys some ideas of how you can decorate your titles in case your titles are super long or somewhat long. So I really hope that you like these ideas, and in this video I would also like to share with you guys and for you guys to come along to our birthday celebrations. So my birthday was on January 12th and my mom's birthday was on the 10th. So we're only one day apart, and I would really like for you guys to come along and take a look at how we celebrated. And although I recorded these celebrations back in January, I still hadn't had an idea of how to upload it on YouTube. So then I came up with the idea of making this title video so I could put them both together into one video and be able to upload a whole video. So I really hope that you like this video, and now let's go on to the video. Alright friends, so for our first title idea, we'll be writing communications channel. So the first part is communications. We write this on top, and underneath it, right in the center, channels. Also make sure that all of your letters are about the same size and leave some space on both sides of channels so you can add these small lines. Then take a marker. In this case I decided to use honey yellow or mango yellow, and I added some small clouds here and there, leaving some space in between them. Then take another marker. In this case I decided to go ahead and use the orange one, and then I added some more clouds right next to the yellow ones, also leaving some space in between them so then I can fill that space with a different color, which I decided to go ahead and use the pink. So you can decide to use as many colors as you want, so 4, 3, 5, 6, 7, or even 8, whichever colors you decide to use. For our second title, our title is global warming. So the first part is global, which has 6 letters, so we'll be making 6 circles just like these, so lilac, pink, and magenta. And once you have all of these circles ready, go ahead and use your magenta color to add the second part of the title, which is warming. Once you have this ready, take your lilac color and add a small shadow on your letters, only on the left side. Then take your black marker and fill the circles with the word global. Then finally add these 3 lines on each side to decorate it a little. Our third idea is super easy, so let's start off by making these small curls on our page, and then take the darker blue and with this one write the title. So the first part is not that important, so I wrote it in small letters, and our second part, which is macroeconomics, it's important, so I wrote it in bigger letters. The fourth title is also super easy, so take your mint marker and a lilac one and make some stripes in the same direction so your title looks clean. And then take a black marker and with that one write the title. In this case my title is analyzing markets, and just make sure that when you're writing it everything is spelled correctly. In my case I misspelled the word analyzing. It should be with a Z instead of an S, but it still looks really cute how it turned out in the end. And I also added some small hearts and polka dots to decorate. And this title also reminds me of Sullivan from Monsters University. The fifth and final title is also super easy, so I made some squares in yellow, leaving some space in between. Then I filled those spaces with my pink marker, and finally for my title I used my black marker. And I also made sure to make my letters around the same size, so I used 2 rows to sort of like measure every letter. And finally, to decorate, I added some dots on the 3rd row. And this is how all of our titles turned out in the end. They're super cute and super colorful. So I really hope that you enjoyed and liked all of these title ideas. And now let's go ahead to our birthday celebrations. So as I was telling you, my birthday is January 12th and my mom's birthday is January 10th. So for my mom's birthday we went to Champs, which is actually her favorite restaurant, and this is how it looks from the outside. And this restaurant offers a lot of food varieties. So for example, they have pizzas, pasta, cheeseburgers, sandwiches, wings, tacos, quesadillas, mac and cheese. A lot of items for you to choose from. For example, my parents got a chicken quesadilla with some sour cream, lettuce, and tomato on top. I got a side of fries as well as my pasta with some veggies and the chicken on the side so I could give it to my parents. My brother Miguel, he got a pepperoni pizza, which is actually a flat bread since he doesn't like the thick crust. Plus, he is also allergic or gluten intolerant. And here is my little brother Jay. He had a mac and cheese and a side of fries. And for my birthday, I wanted to go to this Mexican restaurant, which is Uncle Julio's. And we hadn't been there before, so we decided to go on my birthday to take a look at the place, take a look at the food and taste it, as well as take a look at how the entire restaurant looks from the inside. So the restaurant inside has these lamps or hanging lights, as well as they have brick walls, some small tables, long tables, and booths. And it also has their own tortilla station since this restaurant makes their own tortillas, so sort of like homemade. And here is my brother Miguel, my brother Jay, my dad, and my mom. Inside of the restaurant, you can also find this huge cabinet that reminds me of the movie Encanto. I feel like the colors blue and gold go really well with Mirabel's casita. Alright friends, now let's talk about the food. So this restaurant gives you a free basket of chips with a side of spicy salsa and a side of non-spicy salsa. But you can also order some appetizers in addition to the chips. For example, we ordered this guacamole that comes in a molcajete. And for our entrees, my mom had some chicken enchiladas, my dad had some chicken fajitas, and I had some veggie fajitas. My fajitas had some zucchini, red pepper, green pepper, and a huge piece of grilled mushroom, as well as a side of rice and guacamole. My little brother Jay, he got some fries with chicken tenders and some ketchup. As for my brother Miguel, he had some carne asada, or sort of like steak, as well with a side of rice, beans, guacamole, and pico de gallo. And for dessert, we had a chocolate piñata, which comes filled with strawberries, pineapple, and churros, and it also comes with a side of chocolate and whipped cream. And since it was my birthday, I was the one to break the piñata.
Sí.
Alright friends, and this was it for today's video. I really hope that you like these 5 title ideas, the colors, and all of the decor that we incorporated into our titles. Thank you so much for watching this video, and thank you so much for coming along to our birthday celebrations. I really hope that you enjoyed this video and you enjoyed the content. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss any of the following videos. And see you on the following project. Bye guys!